leather mat。这个车拿了1个星期到现在还没买好 leather mat。Canadian Tire。Didn't manage to buy because they are all too small for behind me. We were supposed to go grocery shopping, but we have been out for 2 hours. And now we are hungry, so we are here for lunch instead. We wanted to eat Ding Tai Fung, but it's a 30-minute wait. We're gonna go try Mabu instead. There's this snack portion. 黯然销魂猪肉饭。
Oh, I you put the kind of thing, and then I think he overheard it.
And then we are finally here after 2.5 hours of being out. So much broccoli. Then you see.
It's good if you don't eat out.
Why are we eating so much? Look like we're in famine or something. We just finished grocery shopping and we somehow managed to buy so much stuff. A lot more than we have expected. I just went on the curb again. I am outside my condo waiting for my roommate to get me the garage key because I forgot to bring it out. How dumb. Decided to just get the car mat from Amazon because I couldn't find a good one, and so yeah, the package is this huge. Sunday night dinner. Jessie stir-fried this kale because she was so happy. Both thought we had an extra end of module assessment to do, but we actually don't. So now we can finally be less stressed throughout the week and actually do what we want instead of being stuck with stupid modules. So it's a super great week ahead. I just got off work. It's a pretty hectic day, but I'm glad because I was super productive. I can't go to gym today because my muscles are aching, so I decided to go for a run. And so I signed up for a 5-kilometer fun run, and I haven't been running for a very long time, so I decided I should start training for it. I only ran like 1.5 kilometer and I am kind of out of breath already. I am so physically unwell right now. I am at my 3rd kilometer right now, so 2 more km to go. I am finally done, but so slow. Today we are finally going to fix the dash cam in my car. It's the SD card. And I got this 70 my dash cam. It was on sale, I think more than 50% off, so I only got it for $119, I think. I was contemplating between a few choices, and even if I was thinking to ask my friend to bring it from China because he was coming back and it's a lot cheaper on Taobao. But since Amazon had this deal, so I just got it here. I think this is the dash cam. It's probably the rare camera. This is everything in the box, including this one. And this is probably the manual. So I connected the wires. They are connected correctly. Try to touch it. Oh, it works. So I did not end up fixing the dash cam last night because it was too late. So we're gonna do it tonight, hopefully. And now I need to go to the bank to meet with a financial advisor because I'm trying to be a responsible adult and do financial planning. Just finished my appointment with the advisor. Now I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I'm just waiting here before the red light turns green because it's way too cold outside. We are finally going to fix the dash cam, and she has the mats.
Tip here, tip here.
My handy dandy crafty Jessie.
Yeah, this is where I use my handy skill.
We are sort of done. Got the front camera and the front mats. The rear camera is too complicated. Good morning. It's Thursday today, so it's office day, and I'm only just getting out of the house at past 9. This is my outfit for the day. I'm just being super calm. It's an issue, technical issue. Just go out and I just got off work and I'm walking to my friend's house now. We're supposed to meet for dinner at the restaurant, but it's kind of far and my phone battery is dying and I'm irresponsible. I didn't bring power bank or charger. We are walking to the restaurant now. Walking with 2 of my friends, but they don't want to be in the camera.
都炒得透色，虽然还不是很熟，我再拿进去给它再蒸一下。哦。